Alright, so if you guys are joining me for this video, obviously you want to see what the GoPro Hero 11 looks like. I have no clue, so I can't really talk you through that right now because this is my first time filming with it at all. We're gonna head down to a spot that I want to get some B-roll and the thumbnail for this video. I'm gonna talk you through why I bought this, why I decided to upgrade, what camera I had before this, and some different giveaways and raffles and everything that I have planned in the near future. Almost at it. So also I will run you guys through the settings that I have on my GoPro. Underneath all my videos in the descriptions I have them, but the Hero 11 is a little bit different. Alright, so we have made it to the spot. Didn't realize that all the cross-country runners can run the back roads all the way down to the water. Was not expecting that, but right by high school, so I guess I should have expected it. Either way, we have made it. Not trespassing, staying on this side of the fence.
Good to see you stopping and enjoying it for a moment.
This is probably my favorite spot on the Patuxent to stop.
It's a really pretty spot. I walk it 2 or 3 times a week for sure. What kind of motorcycle is that?
A Triumph Bobber. Alright, enough playing around here. This bike makes me meet more people than I think anything. But yeah, just met a super nice dude who's local here and not mad that I'm stopping and taking a break. Actually sat and talked to him for about 5-10 minutes about different cars and motorcycles, makes, models, and it was super nice. Let's jump back on the bike. So let's get into it. I now have the GoPro Hero11 and I was coming from the Hero8, which I absolutely loved. I know a lot of people didn't like that model because of the fixed lens, but I actually really like that camera. Never, actually, let me take that back already. Only had a issue with external audio with it, but since I got that warranted and got the new one earlier this year, I actually haven't had an issue with it at all. The reason why I decided to upgrade to the Hero11, a few reasons. One of the huge reasons is now with having the GoPro door for the external microphone, it is waterproof, which to me makes a huge deal with being out on the bike and now not being super nervous about the SD card or the camera overall. I really hope that my voice doesn't sound super shaky right here, because this is not the smoothest back road, but it's so beautiful. There's horses, barns. So the second reason is now we're coming to fall and it's going to be getting much colder, still going to be getting out to get content, and battery life is going to be another huge reason why I got this camera. I left the house at about 75-ish% of battery, made it all the way down there, full ride. Normally by the time I would get there I would have to change it on the Hero8, talked to the dude for a little bit, shot some B-roll, and it died. Already this battery is lasting much longer, which I'm super excited about. Those are the two biggest reasons. Another reason is I do want to get into color grading. I've done a little bit, but this has 10-bit color, which seems to be the rave for color grading. I have near no experience with that, so puppy. So I figured that was only going to be a plus. Then with the battery life being longer, now I can actually film in 4K all the time. That being said, I am filming 4K at 30 frames a second. I've decided to do Super View, which is a 16mm on this specific lens. At least that's what GoPro says. My ISO minimum set at 100. I have my ISO max set at 400. I have my EV setting at -0.5, just to give the exposure a little bit more darkness to it for being outside. I personally still run the white balance and the shutter at auto. Another new setting for this is the color that it films in. I typically always ran it in GoPro, but now I'm running it in the natural. But with me having the new GoPro, that means the two different Insta360s that I have, I will be raffling off. I am going to do the R camera with the 360 lens probably next week, end of next week sometime. Gonna get the video out and let you guys know how to enter to win that, as well as later this year, probably around Christmas, New Year's, I will raffle off my Insta RS, which is all set up for motovlogging if you want to put it on your helmet, or also if you wanted to do some just normal vlogging, have it as your second angle camera. So if you guys plan on entering those raffles, please subscribe, because you will have to be subscribed to be the winner to take one of those home. Gotta love Halloween decorations. Am I talking? I'll tell you more in the future, but essentially some of the proceeds are going to go to, I meant to turn there. Some of the money from that is going to go towards a men's mental health charity. Gonna actually maybe just do two different ones for the two different cameras that I raffle off, but that is where a portion of that's going to go, as well as there's me a couple winners. One is actually going to get the cameras, and two runner-ups will get some money, as well as for the winter time, since it will be chilly and probably will not be getting out as much, but still aiming to at least get one trip in a week. I think I'm gonna do like a 2-minute Tuesday. And then if you guys aren't subscribed yet, another reason to do that is I've decided that I'm going to, some parts, not everything, I will actually just leave someplace. If it's either leaving at a coffee shop that I like, or leaving it behind a bush somewhere, something along those lines. But I think that would be really fun. Gonna get the GPS coordinates of it and let you guys know. And essentially, yeah, first one there gets it. I've never been down this road, and I have been wanting to come down here for a little while. And also, one thing that I'm going to start doing, I just signed up for Amazon affiliate links, but I am going to start listing a bunch of different parts, accessories, cameras, camera gear, anything that I'm using. That's sweet. Anything that I'm using and I'm enjoying, I am going to leave it down below so you guys can see what I'm using and use it if you want it. Get you guys some fancy behind Traeger high-vis gloves. No, but for real, these yellow high-vis gloves are super comfortable but drive me nuts having high-vis, but it is nice because, hey, look at me, motorcycle, watch out. And I'm bummed because I just realized I brought my tripod today to get a picture of me with a bike, helmet, and everything at the water spot, and completely forgot. Now this would be a neighborhood to live in. Nice smooth paved roads back here. No one besides me potentially will be bothering you. Even that, I'm not bothering you, I'm just riding through and saying hi. So that's it for this video. I feel like we've gone through a lot of stuff, and I think I got to everything. If you guys like this video and like this new footage, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, of course leave them down below. Subscribe, click the bell now that I'm going to be leaving stuff. And yeah, let's see where we go next time.